Happy New Year from the Windows Servicing and Delivery team at Microsoft. We know you have a lot to do. That's why today, in place of our regular release note highlights, we are sharing a few quick tips to help you use Windows 11 to get things done quickly and more intuitively. With Windows 11, you can customize every touchpad tap, swipe, and pinch on your laptop. To get started, navigate to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Touchpad. In addition to setting cursor speed, scrolling behavior, and zoom, you can also choose what happens when you tap the touchpad or swipe using 3 or 4 fingers. For example, if you use your device for creating, viewing, or listening to media, try the Change Audio and Volume setting for 3 or 4 finger gestures and set taps for those gestures to play or pause. Swipe up or down to increase or decrease volume. Swipe left or right to go to the next or previous track. Tap once to play or pause audio. If you frequently move between apps, try the Switch Apps and Show Desktop setting for 3-finger or 4-finger gestures. Swipe up for the multitask view, down to show the desktop, and left or right to switch apps. You'll find more options for 3-finger and 4-finger movements with the settings for advanced gestures. You can select more touchpad settings to customize pointer options, including pointer icon, motion, and visibility. If you haven't explored Clipboard in Windows 11, it's a great time to make it a part of your productivity toolbox. Traditionally, only the most recent clip you copied was available to paste. As soon as you copied a new item, the previous one disappeared. Now, you can save multiple clips, including texts and images, and preview all your saved clips to choose which one you want to copy and paste. To get started, navigate to Settings, System, Clipboard, and switch the Clipboard History toggle to On. You can also sync Clipboard items with your other devices. First, make sure that your Microsoft account is syncing with Windows. Move the toggle for Clipboard History across your devices to On. If you don't see that toggle, you may first need to select Get Started to Share across devices. Once Clipboard History is enabled across your devices, you can opt to sync clips automatically or manually. To open your Clipboard History and select a clip other than the most recent one you copied, use the Windows key plus V shortcut. A list of your recent clips will appear. Select the clip you want from the list, and it's ready to paste. Want to permanently save an item you copy frequently? Select the pin icon. You can also use Clipboard in Windows 11 to quickly insert emoji, cow emoji, symbols, and GIFs. Finally, with the dawn of a new year, many of us are looking for ways to work or study more effectively. If you are looking to minimize distractions, take advantage of Focus in Windows 11. To start a quick focus session, simply select the clock in your system tray, set the desired duration, and select Focus. By default, this will enable Do Not Disturb mode and disable app notifications and alerts. Alarms and priority notifications will still appear. You'll receive a notification when your focus session has ended and can end the focus session manually at any time. If you want to take focus sessions to the next level, use the Clock app. There you can set the duration of your focus session, opt to skip breaks for longer sessions, and set daily goals. Does background music help you work? Link your Spotify account to select a playlist for your focus session. Have specific things you need to work on? No problem. You can now integrate tasks from Microsoft To Do, and select specific tasks for your next focus session. Tip: if you use focus sessions frequently, pin the clock app to your taskbar for easy access to these settings. I hope you found these productivity tips helpful. Are there Windows 11 features you'd like to know more about? Send us feedback or leave a comment at our Windows Community YouTube channel at aka.ms/Windows Community on YouTube. To learn more about changes, improvements, and new features in January's security release, read the full release notes at aka.ms/Windows11/release notes/2501. We'll be back next month with Windows Update highlights and new tips. That's it for this month. Thanks for watching.